Local news about local people. This is Newslink, Indiana.
Good morning, I'm Melissa Ivinson. Thanks for joining us. Auto workers celebrated innovation in East Central Indiana. Autocar in Hagerstown unveiled its latest chassis Friday. More than 200 people were there. The workhorse chassis is built for the new Easy On bus. It makes it easier for loading and unloading passengers. The president hopes customers will like the innovation.
If the market accepts the product, as we anticipate it will, and we've got good competitive information, we've got customer information, our goals are to sell enough chassis that will create a significant amount of jobs.
Autocar produces heavy-duty low cab trucks commonly used in waste hauling. And Habitat for Humanity helps build homes for low-income families. And in Muncie, one insurance company is getting its good hands dirty to build houses and business. Chilly winds and muddy ground didn't stop these Habitat for Humanity volunteers.
When you're doing this in November, you kind of expect that, but the sun's shining, so it can't be all bad.
But today is an Allstate Ball State day.
The insurance company Allstate teamed up with Benny's Builders, Ball State's Habitat group, to hammer and paint the day away. And the Allstate volunteers even came from out of state.
I came in from Michigan. We have employees that came from the local Muncie area. We've got people as far away as Fort Wayne that came down, and up from Indianapolis.
You meet people from the community and other communities that actually come over here and help out with the Habitat project. So it's great fun.
I painted my bedroom doors and went and I cleaned up the other house up the road. I got an inside job. I was lucky.
But Allstate did more than work through the cold. Allstate usually insures completed homes, but through a $20,000 donation and volunteers, it's helping to ensure this Habitat home gets built.
I've been out in hurricanes, earthquakes, tornadoes, and seeing that tragedy. It's kind of nice to not just donate a check, but actually to put your own sweat equity in it.
The donated money from the Allstate Foundation will help buy building supplies for this house, and volunteering may just plant the seed for future Allstate clients.
We sure hope we are. That would be our intent. We think it's a good way to get our name out in the community.
Around 40 Allstate and Ball State volunteers came Friday to help finish the house. Now here's Brian Smith with a look at our forecast. Brian.
Good morning. Sunny, picture-perfect conditions are in store for you today. A high of 48 degrees. Tonight, a low temperature of 25 with a late autumn chill. And for the 5-day forecast, our next chance of rain coming in on Tuesday.
Thanks, Brian. And that's Newslink, Indiana. Join us at 6:27 Monday night for more news and get local news about local people 24 hours a day at newslinkindiana.com.